Hello everybody and welcome back to the couch, the React Couch. I was about to say a day, but I don't know when this is going up. Anyway, hang on, let me try it again. Hello everybody, welcome back to the couch. We got CinnamonToastKen, we got Buff Pro, we got Dr. Phil, we got Happy, we got pillows, we got space between us. We're cool, we're ready to go. We're about to swap some wives. A lot of you guys have been asking us to do this show, and I mean, a lot of times when I see people ask us to do stuff, I'm like, why? I'm like, oh, it just like makes me cringe all over. But then I'm like, that's why we should make the video.
Yeah. Actually.
So we're gonna look at Wife Swap, a show where people swap their wives and the wives have to go over to the other house and try to like fulfill that spot, and they try to like make changes, and of course it's just weird and awkward, and I don't know, they probably bang somewhere in there, we don't know.
Yeah, probably.
So we're gonna look at some there's just some compilations up. We're gonna look through them and see how it goes. Some great moments such as this.
Welcome to our house.
Thank you.
Are you part Indian?
It's gonna be great.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Welcome to our house. I don't have any knowledge of anybody other than white people.
This here is our outdoor shower.
Shower.
Yes. Have a little shower tent that we put right here.
Oh wait.
Why do we got the outdoor shower?
They live in like a, I don't know.
They live in the bus?
I think so, I guess. Why else would you need an outdoor shower, right? Like the hippie family. I don't know. I don't know who actually lost out. Like this dude or this girl's teeth. I'm not too sure which one.
That outdoor shower, it's a bit rustic.
Yes, rustic is the word I would use. It's a bit rustic.
Yeah.
How's it rustic? It's literally just a shower head hooked up to the side of a bus. It's a bit rustic.
It's just straight ghetto.
It's just straight ghetto. White people have too much time on their hands. What this is. We could take showers like outside in the public. Oh, the nature. Oh.
Where am I gonna sleep?
Daddy, he could stay in your bed.
It's a little awkward. So where do I sleep? Yo, Dad, hit that! Get up in your bed, Dad! Little Timmy's trying to hook Dad up, you know?
Don't worry, Dad, I'll put in a word for you. My daddy likes you.
Meeting Nicole, there was some awkwardness.
So we're on this show where we swap wives, right? Okay, welcome to our house. You know this is going on TV, right? Just say something, anything.
My husband plays drums, and we're in a band.
That's pretty much everyone's reaction when they hear that. Yeah, my husband plays drums. We're in a band. I'm sure you're great. I'm in a band. Oh, so you're unemployed. Okay.
So Hagen, this is Terrell. Terrell's gonna actually be your chaperone tonight.
What was that?
I don't.
Like, how is that? Like, this is Terrell, and it like shows him. It's like, Bob, he's a black person. Oh,
Oh, no.
oh my gosh.
What?
Are you serious, TV? What the hell's wrong with you?
He's probably scared the whole neighborhood.
Maybe it was
to be honest.
maybe because it's a wife swap, but it's a dude. Maybe that's. I don't know what's actually going on here. But the way this clip is like that they're surprised that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Well, let's go, guys.
Oh, it's in the back.
Especially chaperoning a 16-year-old's date.
So okay, so there's chaperone rule. Okay, got you. Now I kind of understand. I guess a little bit. Like, oh yeah, you have no idea who this is, but he's going on a date with your date. Gotta have a chaperone if you're going out. Okay, that's just awkward anyway.
That is awkward.
Do you want your present now?
I like how that dude's name is Pagan. He wouldn't make it in the South.
Yeah, he wouldn't.
You're dating a boy named what? Pagan? You mean the religion that Christmas really comes from and Santa Claus and all that? No, I mean, that's Jesus.
No. If you was dating a Megan, it'd be fine.
that should have been a moment they were able to share together. So it was a little awkward for me sitting in the middle while he kind of gives her something so special.
It was really awkward for me to be there while they're having this moment, and also the entire camera crew that's there. Yeah.
I mean, a little courtesy guy. Go sit at the booth.
Just
go eat your own food at the same place. It's fine.
There's nobody else in here. This place is empty except for them.
Right. What is that? You're just gonna go like sit in between them. Well, all right, what's going on?
Hey guys, yeah, what are you doing?
How do you guys feel about this?
Yeah, you're giving her. Oh, I'm talking more than your actual boyfriend here. Oh my goodness.
Let me pass that down or what?
I guess I get it. Like, oh, it's my daughter. You know, I got to have an adult present while they're out dating. But I mean, I feel like a 16, you know, that's kind of like the age, at least where you're starting to transition away from needing your parents all the time. And you can actually kind of live on your own, you do your own thing a bit. They're gonna kiss each other.
Oh no!
And possibly explore each other's bodies a little bit. Oh! They're going to hell. Show your hands, everybody.
Yeah, don't be holding them.
Don't skin on skin contact. She's gonna get pregnant.
I'm a battalion chief of the fire department.
Firefighters, they're always sitting around playing cards, doing nothing.
Yeah, she comes in here like, you know, she's in her run the fire department or whatever, and he's like, oh yeah, I heard of them. They just sit around and just don't do anything. Yeah, great. There ain't no fires in my house. I don't know what you're doing here. The thing that I really noticed about that is that it's very heavily edited, cut, smashed together. It's like, that's probably not what he actually said.
Yeah, probably not.
Like, that's probably like, you know, the conversation probably went somewhere to like, what do you guys do for fun? Oh yeah, they're always playing cards and stuff, or something like that. But they just like cut it to where he seems like a jerk. What do you guys do for fun? Oh, smashed together.
So let's get right to the point. Do you cook?
No.
Let's get to the point, all right? We gotta get right to this. This is important, all right?
The only thing I care about. Where's my sandwich? Second most important thing, smashed together. Oh my God.
Well, we crushed his soul right there.
He's just,
No.
We're gonna starve.
Cooking is for women.
Wow. Okay.
Jesus Christ. Cooking. They didn't edit that one. He just straight said that.
Yeah, he did just say that.
Cooking is for women. You see how swole I am right now? My sleeves don't even come all the way down on my shirt. They rolled up a little bit so you can see my tattoos. My hair's all slicked back so you can see my 5 head. I'm ready to go. I don't cook. I just eat. Look at my body. Oh my God, this guy. Cooking is for women. That's why I have nothing but girls so they can be my slaves.
They're all gonna be cooking. I'm gonna be eating.
I'm just gonna be eating. I can't stop myself.
My wife, she'll put on makeup before I get home and look all nice.
I normally don't.
Well, we'll see how you look tomorrow.
Oh! Oh God! We'll see how you look tomorrow and see if that's acceptable. All right? Wow! If I don't like the way you look without it, better get in there and just start drawing everywhere. All right?
Oh, man, you know, I mean, like Mary puts on makeup because she wants to look nice. You know?
Yeah.
Like she wants to like feel better about herself and all that. She doesn't do it for me. It's for her. I can't even imagine thinking like this guy thinks. You know,
I can't either.
Before I get home from work, she better put her makeup on because she needs a little something. Because the way she actually looks isn't good enough. And then if she cooks.
Yeah, and the food better be ready and hot when I get home.
Yeah, and then she rubs my feet, and then I just sit there and watch sports and go to sleep. You know, I may smash if I feel like it, but you know, that's up to
if
me.
She's good enough.
I'm the man, head of the household. Well, that's a good thing he's old because I'm sure he wouldn't be able to find anyone younger than that. And you cook and do everything I ever tell you. And he's 20 years old. She'd be like, "The f- you just say to me?
What did you say?
What did you?" Slap me that 2019 across the face.
That's right.
All right. Well, I mean, that was the 4 most awkward wife swap moments right there. Let's see what the comments say. Cooking is for women. Sorry, baby. You notice that a lot of professional chefs are dudes. Like a lot of them.
Yeah,
I'm sure you'd have something to say, but they're professionals. You know, men are better.
Men are professional.
Yeah.
Women do it in the house, all right?
Men do it at the workplace because they're working, bringing home the bacon, and they cook the bacon at the same time. Yeah. I hear that guy saying that. It's 2019, not 1950. The stupid show's still on? You know, there's only 16 comments on this video. We haven't actually. There's only not that. Oh my gosh, we've done it. We've actually covered something that doesn't have millions of views.
That's true.
Wow. Well, I mean, I often what I try to do is go out there and find other YouTube videos that other people have made, and I think to myself, wow, that was a really good video. You know what would make it better? If I made the exact same video and put it on my channel.
Bam.
But yeah, maybe this is not out there yet.
Yeah. We did it. Original content, baby.
Oh wait, this one's got 100,000 views on it.
No,
Okay,
no,
well,
no,
all right.
the last one.
All right, let's see what this has got going on here.
And then she jumps.
Oh, that booty though. Put them Spanx on.
No, this is not happening.
I think it's supposed to go under your clothes.
Yeah.
It'd probably fit a little better if you didn't have those pants on.
Yeah.
But you know, that's not safe for TV.
Catherine is about to see what it's like to play in a punk rock band.
Look at this look at this dude.
Dang.
The dude's
punk rock band?
the dude's so small, his beard almost covers like his whole body. I never thought I'd see a guy like this in a punk. I don't know. Maybe it's because I grew up in the '90s. Punk rock. You saw like the mohawks and piercings and stuff. And this dude's like, yeah, bro, I'm like a punk rocker. Peace. What?
My head right now is ringing.
I see fruit punch.
My hot sea fruit punch.
Oh, the taste of it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're perfect with my bag lunch.
But snap up for dessert.
The mercy of the corporate world.
The corporations. But I need my high C fruit punch made by a corporation. But damn the corporation.
Oh, they charged me for it.
Corporate world, suits and money.
At his age, should be a hobby. There's bills that have to be paid.
He's over there telling me he needs to get a job. Like at his age, it should be like a hobby. This dude's old. He's over here singing about fruit punch.
I see. Can't even find that in the stores no more.
It's a life of relaxation, laissez-faire attitude. The hammer of Catherine is getting ready to come down.
Bing. I wonder if we'll get copyright strike for that song they just played.
Oh, gosh.
I hope not, because it's butt cheeks. Yeah. Look, I can play the drums. Bass drum, snare.
That's all he did. That's literally it.
And so throw some power chords on there. Yeah.
Urine tanks. They're full. We're gonna drive over and dump the tanks.
Drive the bus.
Go.
Oh!
You want me to drive the bus? The little girl's like, get in there,
Yeah.
fake mom.
Go.
Come on, drive the bus.
Go.
You big
Go
sissy.
dump our-
Go dump our pee.
Yeah, there you go.
Honestly, right now, I'm wondering if these Jimmy Choo wedges were the right shoe for this.
What I'm really wondering right now is my really nice shoes are the perfect for this situation. Because, you know.
I've seen better shoes for pee dumping, lady.
Have you?
If we go for a vacation, we fly. We've never taken a bus.
We go on vacation, we fly there. Especially, we have never taken public transportation like a bus. I'm so rich.
Oh yeah, while everybody is gone, I'm about to sanitize everything. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna sanitize. Oh yeah.
Y'all nasty kids. They ain't in the house right now. Not on.
Sanitize.
These germs.
You know, just get excited about it, like, oh yeah, here we go.
Wait. Ooh. Oh my gosh, the cat. Get the cat out of here. Oh, absolutely not. Cat, you got to go.
Oh, there's a cat! Oh! I'm surprised you didn't sanitize it.
Yeah, I thought she was about to.
This dog literally just all over the floor.
Oh. gross. Little Chihuahua dogs. Ugh.
And jump back on the couch. I'm laughing to keep from crying, honestly, because I don't know what.
That dog just pooped on the floor and then jumped on the couch.
Yeah.
I'm about to cry, but I gotta laugh it off. Jesus Christ.
Put you in what's called a butt lifter. Have you ever like that, sort of?
No, this is not happening. No.
This is really what China does.
He's got the, he's ready to go.
Yeah.
Like, go, don't worry, Mom. Number 2, I want to help you get that up. That booty be popping though.
That's
Look
what
at
it's
it.
supposed to do.
It's like a butt explosion. Click, click. All right, it's coming off now. I did it.
It's like, cool wife swap, and now we're gonna make a
We're gonna make a video.
we're gonna make a booty video, girl. Yeah. Oh, man.
Gosh.
Let's see what the comments have to say about this one. Damn, she got that booty. Oh man. All right. Well, Wife Swap is definitely one of those shows that I never want to watch in my whole life.
Right.
Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Hope you enjoyed laughing about it. Leave a like if you liked the video. Can you still favorite videos? I don't even know anymore. I used to say like a video if you liked it. If it's a favorite, if it's your favorite. Leave a comment if you want to talk about something. And the more you do those things, the better the video will do and the better the channel will do. So just, get to it. Thank you. Man.
It's like a butt explosion.
Oh, yeah.